Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to carve an image in Photoshop step by step. Let's begin. Hold Shift and Method to PNG. Press Ctrl T, Wrap tool and carve anywhere. Use again, press Ctrl T, Wrap tool, use Custom as OK and Method 2 with PNG. Edit tab, find puppet wrap warp, click click point, click handle point, then click handle point, then move anywhere. Click OK. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.